Xazinem Türk Dil Terbiyeleş Merkezi hemmimizning xazinesi.
5 minut kapatacağız.
Yetidi. Unda bo'lsa bolalar, sizlarga berilgan topshiriq mom, dad, sister, brother, grandma, grandpa deganlarni bir qo'rdan yezib yodlab kelisizlar. Tamam? Ondan keyin men yana o'qiyman, hammalar ovozini taqab, ovozinglarni qo'yib etib, menga ergishib o'qiysizlar. Başladik. Mikrofon taqanglar.
Okay.
Let's birinchisi.
Okay.
Let's find grandma and the others dedi. Let's find grandma degan biz cho'ng opamizni topaylik and va the others. Others degan boshqalar degan gap. Shuning bilan let's find grandma and the others degan biz cho'ng opamni va boshqalarni topaylik. Find tepish degan gap, izlash degan gap. Ikkinchisi, look, this is mom's book. Look, qarag'in, this is mom's book. Bu bo'lsa opamning kitobi. Book, kitob. And this is Billy's teddy. Va bu bo'lsa Billyning iyiq qo'nchiqi. And this is grandma's umbrella deydi o'g'il bola. Va bu bo'lsa cho'ng opamning kulliki deydi. Uchinchisi, but where are they? Biroq ular qayerda? I don't know. Men bilmayman. Look, ice creams for you. Qara, marojnilar, ice cream, marojna asni qo'yib etsak, jih marojni bildirdi. Shuning bilan look, ice creams for you.
Geldi.
Look, ice creams for you. Qarag'in, marojnilar sen uchun deydi. Ya'ni marojnilarni sana akeldim deydi. Ah, thank you. Shundan nimda yaxshi degan ma'noda bo'ldi. Rahmat sizga degan ma'noda bo'ldi. Unda men bir o'qiyman, oxirida bir sizlar o'qiysizlar. Boshlaymiz. Diqqat qilinglar. Look, let's find grandma and the others. Ikki.
Let's find grandma.
Hammani o'qib qo'ying. Ikki. Look, this is mom's book. And this is Billy's teddy. And this is grandma's umbrella. But where are they? I don't know. Look, ice creams for you. Ah, thank you. Ovozni bir anglaytile.
4. Listen and read.
Let's find Grandma and the others. Look, this is Mum's book. And this is Billy's teddy.
And this is Grandma's umbrella.
But where are they?
I don't know.
Look, ice creams for you.
Ah, thank you.